Hey guys, welcome to a house tour. Luke J's upstairs right now, so this is gonna be. So you may hear a part of Luke J's. This is mainly gonna be a house tour. Let me just go in here. So my intro. Okay, guys, this is gonna be a house tour. I'm just in here for my intro. This is the messiest room in my house. We haven't cleaned it in a while. Okay, don't judge. Anyways, yeah, today's gonna be a house tour. Luke J's doing her intro. She's going upstairs. We're gonna give each other thumbs ups like this, so we switch floors because we have to do it at the same time. Because we have an hour of extra of time that we can do, but we can't like play video games or watch videos. But we are allowed to film, so that's what we're doing. Anyways, let's get to it. Also, I really think you should subscribe, leave a like, hit the bell to activate notifications. And guys, just so you know, if you see me on the street, which you may not, yeah, so if you do, make sure you social distance, and that would be great. I'm spinning on a spinning chair. That's actually very dangerous. People's toes have started bleeding when they get hit by one of these chairs, sliding everywhere. Anyways, guys, today it's going to be a very cozy video. I get it. Get it? I got tons of blankies. Anyways, let's go start the video. This is Mr. Cheetah. Hello, Mr. Cheetah. Oh, I thought, oh, he's glass. Oh, okay. It's a glass cheetah, everyone. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay. No coffee, no working. My boss sucks. That's what I got from my mom for her birthday. Anyways, downstairs is the living room. It has my guitar that I play a lot. Just ask if you want to hear a song one day. Like for a YouTube video. You can let me know by hitting a like on the video. So this is the first room. It's my sister's violin right there. It's got my Nintendo Switch controller, which is of course a Zelda Breath of the Wild controller. I play that a lot. And it's very dirty. And there's the Sticky! So that's my cat's name. Hello, kitty. Kitty? Kitty, wake up. You're in a YouTube video. Kitty! Kitty! Kitty? Can you please wake up? Ah, there he is. He's a very good kitty. Anyways, let's check out my mom's room. It's raining with 76 degrees today. It's not the hottest day, but it's raining. So I'm sad we couldn't do my, I don't know why, but when I look out, but you can't see the rain droplets, because for some reason with the phone quality I have, you can't see rain droplets. I know, but you may be able to see the rain droplets on the bottom, but there's tons of rain droplets on that door. Everything looks a little more white for you, okay? It's raining a lot right now, okay? Believe me. These are my sister Transformers, or Mega Nerf gun. You know. And this is my mom's laptop. And I'm trying to show you the screen, or else I don't reveal a name, because that would be bad. My mom has an iPhone 11, which I'm very impressed about. Anyways, okay, it's Ziggy's dinner. Ziggy's finished eating breakfast. And this is my portable battery. I'm trying to charge it because it's got tons of solar panels here. So, charge up, bud. My phone's at like 6% battery. Okay. Oh, someone set a timer. Huh, that's weird. Then we got our Lysol wipes. That's the mask room. There's lots of masks here. Anyways, let's go check out this room right here. I'm not going to show the bathrooms though, because why would I do that? Anyways, we got the big screen. It's not our biggest screen though. We got way bigger. Well, then these ILO Gardens. They're actually They're pretty cool. You can grow like plants in winter. And if you're the Olive Garden people watching this video, I sponsor your video. You're welcome. Anyways, yeah, they aren't actually a sponsor, but who cares? Who cares? I sponsored their stuff, and it's okay. Then we got my dad's dirty shelf. My dad makes so many messes. He's very messy, and I can't show this place yet because my mom's in it, and she's going to the bathroom. Anyways, Luke J, why are you filming me? Luke J, you're supposed to be upstairs. This is my mom's closet. I don't want to show that though, because there's something inappropriate in there. It has a swear word in it, so I'm not going to take you in it. And we'll get to the bathroom later. Okay, yeah, we'll just get to this bathroom later. Gotta wait for my mom to go, then at the end of the video, let's hope she's done you know what. Okay, well this is the biggest TV we have, so you know. Anyways, we're going to swap now. We're heading upstairs. Luce said it's okay. So we're just going up our stairs. Yeah, we have a lot of professional artists in our family. Some of them, sadly, they've died. Hey, look it, this is open for filming. Actually, it's my room. Anyways, it's my llama blanket. I didn't make my bed yet. I don't know why I didn't. But, maybe we should. The making my bed show. I make my bed while filming. Just kidding, I'm not really making, I'm just making the first sheet. Just so it looks a little neater. Look neat. I'm making the full bed. I'm going to do that after the video, but I'm just doing a little bit of it. And look, now it looks a little better for the video. Okay, we need a little more light in here. Let's open that window. Anyways, I have my electric heater. It's on number 3. Wait, it's on 4 right now? Like, look at it. Why is that on 4? Okay. I'm just going to shut that off for now. Got my droid at Disney. That was a little bit of time ago. I'm reading Harry Potter right now. I'm out of breath. And over here, it's got my Fortnite blaster, my guitar case when I used to go to my lessons. And yeah, that's that part. Yeah, I don't know what, yeah. I'm a big fan of that famous singer, so just so you know. You know, Drake, the famous singer, I'm a big fan of it. Anyways, we got my sister's room. Man, she does not like lights, alright? Are you kidding me? What's the heck's happening with her light in her room? Oh yeah, it has those things on it. This is my sister's room. The second messiest person in the family. My dad's a little messier. Anyways, this is the bathroom. It's the dirtier one. Because my sister never flushes the toilet. It's not her. She never flushes it. I don't know why she never flushes the toilets. But I guess that's her. This is the messy toy room. Where my laptop is. Yay, it's very shiny. And then, pew, 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 pew. And this guy's a pew, pew. And yeah, that's mainly this. Okay, better put this away. Okay, just so you know, there may be a little edit. There's a piece of paper I do not want anyone to see. So you may just have like a little edit right there. So just so you know. And here's are my Pilestone colorblind expert glasses. Colorblind, I'm not wearing them right now though. Anyway, so this is the dirty playroom where there's way too many toys. Anyways, that is pretty much the upstairs. Just the bathroom I really don't think we should show. But let's just see if my mom's done with the bathroom. I hear someone. Let's see if it's my dad. Okay, I'm gonna go ask Luke J if we can head downstairs. Is it good? Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna head downstairs just for some stuff. Okay, we're gonna be downstairs and we're gonna be doing the rest of the vlog together. So let's do this. Okay, we're gonna head over here. We've got my mom. Hello, Mom. And this is her K-Cups coffee. Hello, Drink this coffee. It's very yummy. It's okay. We're not playing the. Oh, okay. Well, she's just trying to make sure her face isn't revealed. Don't put the camera at her.
Okay, you got
This is her coffee. Yum.
It's a dark roast.
Yes, it's very good dark roast. And it's very yummy, too.
I think that's a nice one, too.
Yeah, it's delicious. Oh, look, it's my iPad. I'm letting this charge. Let's hope we can get this video done soon. This is the laundry room. Tons of laundry in it, you know. And now that my mom's done with the bathroom, she's making her coffee. Ooh, a flashlight. Wait, okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take some of this sauce for later. Okay, so my phone just ran out of battery. This is the bedroom. Now let's go check out the bathroom. Bum bum bum. Look at it's the bathroom. There's her shower, and there's the bathtub, and here's the fancy bidet toilet where if you just press this button, it washes your butt, and it's very quickly because we've been working a long time.
Okay, this banana is colored.
So this was a very good video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Can you see me right now? I believe you can. Wait a second, I can check on the TV. Okay, yes, you can. Okay, guys, this is a great video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And this is our temperature we're dealing with. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe. And let's have my mom help me for the outro. Can you help me for the outro or you? No, okay. Okay.
Let's go stand in the light.
Okay, I'll stand in the lights. Okay. Hey guys, this is going to be our video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, what are you doing? Like really?